How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, open the Trust Wallet application and make sure to sign into your Trust Wallet account. And after you've done that, you'll find the buy option right on the home page. So you can tap the buy option here and then you can select a cryptocurrency that you would like to buy. So you can select BTC, some of the popular ones, BNB, Ethereum, and so many other ones. So you can select that, enter the US dollars worth of equivalent of the crypto that you would like to buy, tap the buy option here in order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. This way you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.